Last time we talked a little bit about engineered cores. In this episode, we're going to talk about getting the veneers on those cores. Welcome to Real Wood. So now we've joined and planed a face on this one piece to get a nice glue-ready surface. These veneers were selected out of our veneer stock that was run for this job. This block still will get sized down slightly in width before this is applied, but then we will apply these veneers in our same clamp press that we applied the others. After the rest of these parts are prepped, the veneers are laid out, and everything is marked, you'll transition over to our clamps here with backers, and you can see another project here, some walnut doors that have been clamped using that same pneumatic clamping process to apply the veneers onto the face of those engineered cores. So these are clamped both top and bottom to ensure we get even pressure across our veneer. Let's check out the final step, our sizing process, and then we'll see how these doors progress through the rest of its life cycle. So the final stop for our blocks before they head to the CNC area is for them to be precision sized here at our Tiger Stop saw. Then these are going to be compared to block sheets, laid out and labeled in a way that they're ready for our CNC operator to place on the machine and run into a finished door. So that's just a small behind the scenes of how door parts are made here. The same care is put into parts for any product that we make. In the next episode, we're going to talk a little bit about down the line and some of the more specific products that we're making. Thank you, and appreciate you tuning in to Real Wood. If you're enjoying these episodes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment, let us know things that you'd like to learn about, things you'd like to see. We want these to be something that people enjoy watching, so please share with your friends, like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time on Real Wood.